Hi, I'm Chris Campbell, Project Manager for Facebook Messenger Chatbot OST integration, as it is known for Alpha 3. We just call it Rate Wine, a wine rating chatbot being built on the Messenger platform. Our goals for this challenge are to move another step closer to our plan to provide the wine industry with an economical, simple to use, tokenized platform for social sharing and loyalty program rewards. Our token is called BRIX, B-R-I-X, which is a term in the wine industry that refers to the level of sugar measured in maturing wine grapes. My development team is led by Anna and consists of two students located in Cluj-Napoca, Romania. Cluj-Napoca is well known for its numerous universities, skilled developers, and is also known as the Silicon Valley of Transylvania. My team is professional and tireless and has proven to be highly skilled in integrating APIs into the Facebook Messenger platform. First, we're going to check our balance. We have a link for my balance. You'll see down here in the activity log, get user balance request. Token balance, 429.81, 429.81, 429.81. We're going to continue with the ledger function, which is called up by typing in history in the app. Brings up a link to check history and activates the ledger call. You'll see that initiated a ledger request, printing ledger for user, and that's my user number. Each one of these entries is an action. Most of them are named. Action wine rating reward, complete, amount 50 with the corresponding ID. Thumbs up, complete, amount 1.6 bricks, which equals a penny. Badge me, complete, amount 100, corresponding ID number. When you browse ratings, you can also give a thumbs up to a rating you like. I'm going to look for one that hasn't been rated yet, or thumbs up. Here's one by Becky Norris. I'll just clear this real quick so you can see the transaction happen. Transaction processing, transaction not complete yet. Transaction completed, and the reward was 1.63 bricks, which amounts to about a penny for a thumbs up. Here's another one. We'll just do another one here to make sure you can see that. Processing, waiting for mining, transaction not complete, transaction completed, awarded another 1.63 bricks or 1 penny. You'll see over here in token holders, and there they are, or they all show up at the same time. The demo for the wine rating action. This has already been prepared, the wine rating, except for a couple of final piece of information. Good juice. Give it 5 stars. It's compiling the information for the database down below. It's asked for a transaction through the API, not complete yet. It looks like the transaction is complete with the amount of 50 bricks. Let's see if we have it over here in our wallet. 50 bricks. There you go. Want to be able to spend their bricks token, and here you can buy this wonderful badge for 100 bricks token just by submitting your email address. Here's the transaction. Not complete. Not complete. Complete, and the amount was $100. If we look over here, there's the transaction. Special thanks goes out to the OST team for this opportunity and to my awesome team, Romania.